Hello and welcome to this video on AI series. So OpenAI DevDay took place this week on 6th November in San Francisco. It was the first ever developer conference hosted by OpenAI, and it was designed to bring together developer and product community from around the world to preview the new updates that OpenAI had been working on. So without further ado, let's begin the video and understand what those updates are. The highlights of the OpenAI DevDay include the announcement of GPT-4 Turbo, a new version of the GPT-4 AI model that is much faster and more efficient than the original. Let's understand how. GPT-4 Turbo has a larger context window, meaning it can process much more text or code at once, making it much more powerful and efficient. GPT-4, that is the previous or the current version, has a context window of 32,000 tokens, while GPT-4 Turbo has a context window of 128,000 tokens, which is approximately 96,000 words, which is pretty large. In fact, this is going to be one of the largest LLM models with the largest context window that exists today. Not just that, in terms of cost, GPT-4 Turbo is much cheaper to use, with an input cost of 1 cent per 1,000 tokens, while GPT-4 cost 3 cents per 1,000 tokens. GPT-4 Turbo has new knowledge, that is, it is trained on information up to April 2023, while GPT-4 was trained on data up to September 2021. Overall, GPT-4 Turbo is much more powerful and cost-effective and up-to-date version of GPT-4, making it a great option for developers and product community overall to build powerful AI application at a much lesser cost. So one of the biggest highlight of the Dev Day was the introduction of GPT Store, a platform where anybody can, build, launch, and sell AI-powered product and services, which is like a huge step towards AGI, the era of AGI. Other highlights includes launch of Assistant API, a tool for building virtual assistant powered by OpenAI technology. And last but not the least, strong focus on AI accessibility with new features designed to make AI more accessible to people with disabilities, especially its voice-based capabilities. So the Dev Day was a great opportunity for the product community to meet and understand all about all this AI advancement and how this can be applied to solve real-world problems. If you're interested, I would be putting the link of the keynote video on the comment below. In fact, I'll pin it so that it's easier for you to find. And yeah, I feel 2024 is going to be all about AI agents and AGNs becoming mainstream, and we're going to see adoption and application of AI across all sectors. And yeah, it's going to be a year of transformation. I am definitely excited and looking forward to all of that. And once again, thank you for tuning in, and I shall see you soon on my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.